flag out of turn number 4. Greco and Salengo going to lead the way. Green flag is out. Greco going to lead him down into turn number 1. Greco going to work the low line. No surprise there. There goes Salengo to the top side. McReynolds going to fight for the 3rd spot around Lankford. Lankford going to work the bottom line now. Here comes Kenny Rucker in the 5th spot. The top 4 cars starting to break away. As I say that, they tried to go 3 wide in turn number 2 for that 4th spot. But out front and running away is a 33G, Shane Greco. Starting to pull away from your 2nd place car of TJ Salengo. This time around will be 3 laps in the books. They're 3 wide. They're going to get collected. Caution flag going to come out. Greco going to lead him to green. He's on the loud pedal out of turn 4. The battle's going to be for that 2nd spot of Salengo to the inside of McReynolds. He's going to stay on the bottom side. McReynolds going to run the top side. Endicott losing the hand on it, but keeps it going in the right direction. 2nd spot now under fire from the 34 machine. Here comes Evan McReynolds. Young rookie in the 34 machine. Trying to get to that 2nd spot. Kenny Rucker, slide job down in turn 3 and 4 on Andrew Lankford. Lankford and Rucker battling out for the 4th spot. Out front is all Shane Greco. 2nd spot is TJ Salengo. 3rd spot, Evan McReynolds, as they start to pull away from the rest of the field. Six laps now in the book of this scheduled 18-lap race, or 20-lap race. Tough break for the 46 machine. Andrew Lankford going to pull it home early in the 46. That's going to move Rucker into the 4th spot. Battle now for the 5th spot. As Matthew Light and Mondo Endicott going at it. Now out to about a 5-car length lead is Shane Greco. Evan McReynolds still trying to run down TJ Salengo for that 2nd spot. The battles for the 5th spot back here between Mondo Endicott and Matthew Light. Matthew Light going to give himself a little bit of room between him and the 7-car now for that 5th spot. TJ Salengo going to lose the handle down in turn number 2. Slick racetrack, the 75 of Kenny Rucker. Sliding in there, making light contact, but you could see right there he was on the binders and could not get that thing loaded up. That gives you a little bit of indication of how slick that thing is out there for these guys and the skill it takes to get around here. Green flag is out. We're underway. Rucker not getting a great start in the 75 machine. Salengo going to jump to the high side. How about Matthew Light into the 3rd spot? Great run for that young rookie in the 84C machine. Kenny Rucker going to pull up limp in the 75. The 75 car now into the infield. Matthew Light all over the 34 machine for the 2nd spot. This will be the best showing for that young driver in the 84. Trying to make Dixie, West Virginia proud in the 84C. Coburn, Virginia's Evan McReynolds holding him off in the 34C machine for the 2nd spot, but out front and pulling away is Shane Greco. TJ Salengo trying to work his way back up from the back of the field, already up into the 4th spot. 14 laps in the books. We got 6 laps left to go. 5 laps left to go. The 5 phalanges in the air from the flagman. Greco now out to about a 4-car length lead over McReynolds. McReynolds over to about a 4-car length lead over the third place cars. Are spread out as the top 4 completely pulled away. Let's say that. There goes Matthew Light around in turn number 2. Young man having the best showing of the year in the 84C machine and going to lose the handle in turn number 2. With just 3 laps remaining here in the C and Adam Toney Pro Late Model Division. Green flag is back underway. Greco going to lead the way. He's got 3 laps to hold on. TJ Slango's worked his way up to that 3rd spot. Trying to get around Evan McReynolds as the popsicle sticks are out. There's 2 laps left to go. White flag is out one more time around for Shane Greco. Evan McReynolds is right there on him. Can the 34 machine pull off the upset? Down the back straightaway, into 3 and 4 for the final time. McReynolds going to look to the inside, give it to Shane Greco one more time in the 2024 season here at the Beckley Motor Speedway. 2nd spot will be Evan McReynolds. 3rd spot, TJ Salango. 4th spot will be in Mondo Endicott.